question that I forgot to read last class. It's about this issue of leaving some opening that the air could go through, or the spirits to go through as well.
Yes.
So our friend was asking if, okay, I'm going to read it. It says, shouldn't we try to stop them from coming in, the evil spirits?
No. So, okay, wow. That would be disaster. So, right, so if you try to stop the spirit from coming in, it's going to come in anyway. But since it's get used to go in and out when it wants, and now you block him, so it's going to stay longer and make the life of the person a nightmare. So that's actually the people who used to work on, I don't know, maybe they even do now, is Debukim. That's the first thing that they check, right? If somebody block the way out. Okay, so it's very important not to block any way out. So of course they don't need much, and as we said last time, even if you leave an opening like a straw, that's enough. So what I said, not straw, I always like when I read in the Talmud a straw. So in my mind, you can crush the straw and that's it. How can you preserve to stay with an opening? So today you just take a small pipe, right? This copper pipe, tiny, put it between the bricks or whatever material you use. I mean, you use this material to close the hole. You have to remember, right? If it was initially no opening, there is no problem whatsoever. We're talking about situations. I just want to remind: it wasn't opening. It was an air conditioner. It was like a wall air conditioner unit, or it was a window, and person just put the bricks and close up a window completely, or remove this air conditioner and close out the opening, right? So that's when we block the spirit. Not allowed to do that. Not a good idea. Okay.
Thank you very much, Rabbi.
You're welcome.
Okay, next question.
So, and that's why I just want to say, sometimes people think that these things are so simple, but it's always proper to discuss even some these things, things with a rabbi. Just ask a question. So, any advice, right? He's not going to tell you what color to paint your walls or design, but this is very these spirits, they can drive people crazy, and I know people write to me and very sensitive people, and they feel the spirits, not this specific spirit, but they very, very sensitive to any change. So if you're going to block this damager mazik into your bedroom, so a person like that can die from that. You understand? A person who is not that sensitive, maybe it's going to be very inconvenient. He would have a headache and that's it. But for other people, they're dangerous, very dangerous. Yeah, go ahead. Sorry.
Thank you very much, Rabbi.
You're welcome.
We still got 2 more questions. Okay. Since we shouldn't prohibit the transit of mazikim, is it wise to attempt to facilitate their movements?
Could you read again? I didn't get the question.
Sure. Since we shouldn't prohibit the transit of mazikim, this is in relation to the small space club.
Okay.
Is it wise to attempt to facilitate their movement?
I mean, we cannot stop them. So if we stop them, they're going to go crazy. And what is the problem with them go crazy? Because they go crazy in our territory. They're going to crazy in our apartment, in our room, our bedroom. Not a good idea. That's the thing. So you cannot control them. So they want to come, they want to live. That's their own business. So just leave the door open. But I don't know. It happened to me this Shabbos, right? From nowhere, it's like in the middle of the winter. I see the sound, and I thought I saw that it like a fly, but it was not a fly. It was bee, huge bee, huge. I thought like what to do. Like it was making so much noise. It probably was when like the way I understand it was in one of the plants, like when it was on outside, like on the porch, and then we brought in. It get warm. Maybe it thought that it's summer already, so it like it woke up, right, and start flying on Shabbos. So what I did, I just opened the window, like opened the net, and it flew away. You understand? Not the like window net. It's not a good idea. It's maybe forbidden. But I opened the door. We have a sliding door, and we have a net, right? Screen, like a screen. So I opened this, and it flew away. So otherwise, if I would not let it out, so it would create all these issues. Like I don't know, would be very annoying because it's trying to escape and it does not understand. Like it's summer, it's not summer. You understand? So that's I have this association. So just let it out and that's it. Make an opening. Yeah, go ahead.
Thank you, Rabbi. So in regards to our friend's question, just leaving this opening that LevLeib mentioned would be good enough for the...
Yes, yeah, that's it. So it is, as we said, spiritual. It's spiritual, but it needs some physical opening.
Thank you, Rabbi.
You're welcome.
Those are these mazikim that are present in our houses or so on. The reason why we're required by the Shulchan Aruch to, say, for example, change underwear under the blankets and so on, so that we don't get observed by them? Or?
No. It's not that. The Shulchan Aruch requires us to change under the blanket out of modesty, laws of modesty, not because of this mazikim. And then how do you know there is a mazikim? How do you know you have this new house? You have a pet, and suddenly like your cat like jumps and like runs from one room to another. So you like a stupid dog, like a stupid cat. He was sleeping, right? And now he's running around the house. Why? Because they're very sensitive, right? They feel these demons. Right, and in some sense that they can feel and they can see them, but the good thing is that they're not afraid of them so much. So it says if I'm not sure they feel them, but they can feel, but they cannot see. So they say if person would able to see them, he would go crazy, or sense them, they would go crazy. And sometimes some people are more sensitive, and they have this nightmares, right? And they feel physically they're being choked or somebody like that. That's it, right? So maybe it happens with all of us or many of us, but we're not that sensitive, and we don't feel it. Okay.
Thank you, Rabbi.